this video, I just want to talk to you about the things you need to be aware of as a person who wants to start making money online. There are some things you have to get rid of out of your mind for you to be able to reach at an extent where you have to be able to make the kind of money that you want to make online. Now, a lot of people out there, they do want to make a lot of money, and you might be one of them. You want to start making money online, and you have some beliefs in your head. You think that making money online is not possible. That is stopping you from making the money you deserve. There are a lot of things that make a lot of people not be able to make money online, but the most important one is the mindset. The mindset to think that it's not possible to sell yourself or to sell the products or anything that you do online. Everything, if you look around right now, is digital. Everything, if you look around now, is being digitalized. So if you want to start making money as an individual, you can start by actually changing your mind. You should believe that making money online is possible, and you can be one of the people who are making money online. That's the mindset you should adopt. If you don't do that, if you continue believing that making money online is not possible, you are living in the past. You are living under the rock. You have to change your mindset. You have to change how you think. Because right now, as we're speaking, a lot of people are making a lot of money, huge sums of money from the internet using their smartphones. A smartphone, that device that you're holding in your hands, probably the device you are using to watch this video, that is very powerful, and it can make you huge amounts of money. It can bring huge amounts of money in your life. Are you willing to do the things that it takes for you to be able to attract that huge amount of money that you're looking for? People who make the money you want to make, they do certain things. They don't just wake up and say, okay, today I want to make this money. They do certain things that other people are not willing to do. We should be comfortable with doing things that a lot of people out there are not willing to do. If you want to make money online, of course. If you're not, then there's no reason for you to be watching this video. This video is for people who want to make money online, who want to change their mindset and start thinking in a different way. Because it's possible. You can sell online. You can do business online. I understand if you doubt the possibility of you selling yourself or selling your voice or selling any digital product online. I used to be that person too. I used to be the person who doubted myself. I doubted the process of, me just sitting in front of the camera like this, saying, and someone is willing to pay me money for that. But today, it's a dream come true because I do get paid to talk in front of the camera like this. I also do get paid to just give advice. I do get paid to sell digital products online. I sell my digital products online and people pay me money for that. I never used to believe that was possible, not until I made a first class on WhatsApp and people paid me money to join that WhatsApp group where I was teaching people how to create videos. You can imagine you also have some things that people are willing to pay money for, but they cannot pay you money because you actually don't think you can be paid for those skills. So you have to change your mindset. When you change the mindset, people will see that, okay, so this guy is selling this thing. Really? Okay, what happens in this actually thing, or maybe in this course? What are the contents of this product that this guy is selling? Then they will be curious. If they are interested in the topic or the product you are selling, they will buy the product just to see if actually you are competent, or maybe you are a person of value as you portray yourself. So some people will just come to just check out, not necessarily needing that course. They just want to see if you actually deliver value in the products. Are your products of value? If they are, people will know, and if they know, they will, it will stick with them. They will never forget. Every time they see you, every time they come across your content, every time they see anything related to you, they will remember the product they bought from you, and soon or later they will connect someone to you. That's what happens actually. Soon or later they will come across someone who need that product that you are selling, and they will recommend you to that person. And very soon you find yourself making huge sums of money. But for starters, you have to put in the work. You have to start doing things that a lot of people are not willing to do. But also, you should be aware, you should understand that You should understand that when you're just starting out, a lot of people will not believe you. They will not trust you because you're just starting out. You're a beginner. Even yourself, you have self-doubts. That's because you haven't done that thing you want to do. When you do, people will see what you're capable of. They will see the value in your content. Then they will be willing to pay you money. Just make sure that you're doing a good job. Making money online is possible. All you have to do is change your mindset and start seeing the possibilities in the internet, because you can become anyone on the internet and you can earn huge sums of money from the internet. I used to doubt that, but I no longer do that now because I changed my thinking, I changed my mind, and it all comes down to the mindset actually. It all comes down to how you think. It all comes down to how you see the internet and how you use it. If you also believe that it's not possible to sell online, that's what's going to happen to you. You are not going to sell anything because you don't believe. If you believe, what you believe in will happen. It's your thoughts. Everything is in the heads. Everything is in your thoughts. And so, even that money that you're thinking of right now, no matter how big it is, it's possible. You can make that money. You just have to believe and change your mindset towards money and how you look at money. If you believe that, having money is very challenging and it's difficult, that's the reality. That's going to be the reality for you. All the time you want to come across money, it's going to be difficult for you. It's going to be very challenging and very difficult for you, that money to belong to you. So you have to change your mindset and start seeing the internet as, a way for you to actually earn and make a lot of money. All you have to do is just learn skills that require you to be able to, start selling and making money online. That's what I teach in my mentorship program, the Learn to Earn program. If you want to start learning how to make money online, if you just want to get started, I actually have a course for you. The Learn to Earn mentorship program, which runs for 28 days. In 28 days, you learn all the skills and all the things you need to know about making money online, and you start your own business, and you should be able to start seeing results by the end of the 28 days. So it's a complete mentorship program where you learn everything to be successful online. Click on the link below. It will take you to where you learn more about the mentorship program. I hope you change your mindset and you start believing in the possibilities of you selling digital products online. So that's just what I had for you today. Thank you.